Hey guys, it's Mia. I'm the physician assistant at Clear Lake Medical Spa. And for today's Tip Tuesday, we're going to be talking about preventative toxin. I'm sure you've heard the saying, if you don't use it, you're going to lose it, regarding muscles and body movement. The same thing can apply to your face. So if we were to use neuromodulators or toxins, the whole goal is to prevent facial muscle movement. When your muscles don't move for a certain period of time, they kind of atrophy, they don't allow the skin to move, and that results in less creasing of the skin. Most people tend to wait until lines are already kind of set in stone before they seek treatment with a toxin. However, a preventative toxin is so that way we can prevent these lines from even emerging, or at least allow them not to get deep or set in place at rest. Take this piece of paper, for example. If I were to crumble it, trying to smooth out the wrinkles thereafter is going to be a lot more difficult. And so the whole thing is try not to wrinkle the paper in the first place. Prevention is key. It's always easier to prevent than it is to correct. Preventative toxin is pretty ideal for those that are more likely to develop these deep-seated lines and wrinkles, especially those that have very expressive facial movement. More often than not, the typical population that we see for preventative toxin is usually going to be between the ages of 20 and 30. However, that is not the only factor to consider. It's actually really important that we focus on the overall condition of the skin. And so with any cosmetic procedure, it's super important to have a skin regimen that's suited to your skin's needs for the most optimal results with our preventative toxin. If you are interested in learning a little more about preventative toxin or want to get set up to get started today, make sure you make your way to Clear Lake Medical Spa, or at least give us a call and set up an appointment.